Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's your girl, Sweet the Queen DIY. Welcome back to my channel. So right here, we're going to get right into it. I already have these L brackets on the shelf. On the top of the shelf, I'm using this beautiful, pretty textured contact paper. Pink. I know pink is my favorite color. Look at that texture. It was so pretty. I'm like, I have to use this. I had it for a little while. But I'm finally getting to use it. I'm taking my contact paper and measuring against my shelf, my piece of wood. And then I'm using a box cutter blade kinda to cut it. It was kinda a little difficult. I had to get a little help. Thanks, babe. But yeah, I had to cut the paper to match the top, the shelf portion. Now, trying to carefully lay this paper, sometimes contact paper. I don't know if this is contact paper or wallpaper. I believe it's contact paper. But, it could be, sometimes you can use these things on the wall and things like that. Rubbing it in real good. Look at that pretty texture. It was just so beautiful. And I turned it upside down to let it sit for maybe an hour or so, just so the contact paper could adhere before I start any painting. Now, once the contact paper was nice and secure, I took my paint and my small brush just to go over the edges of the wood, the outside lining. I flipped it so you guys could see. This is for the outside. My house is kind of it has this gray and white theme going on, but like I said, I love pink, so I have incorporated in my last video, you guys can see gray, white, and pink. You know what I'm saying? I have gray, white, and pink marble. You see that contact paper right there on the side? Gray, white, and pink marble. You know what I'm saying? So just to throw my little flair in there. So I'm still painting the edges of the wood, the shelf, white, and I let that dry as well. But yeah, you guys, like I said, I love the pink. Don't mind my babe in the back. Me and my babe is just we partying. We got just food, drinks. It's just the bed messed up. Just don't pay none of that no mind, y'all. Just focus on the shelf, okay? So I'm almost finished. Now I'm finished, and I'm doing the bottom gray. Like I said, my house is gray and white. My interior decorations, my cabinets, my floors, my countertops, it's gray and white, so when I do so, I'm trying to match, and like I said, I love pink anyway, and the gray and white is not bad. Just gotta add my own little flair to it. So I'm painting the bottom of the shelf gray. This paint is pretty good. It's Arteza from Amazon. I didn't really have to do any multiple coats. I think of the white one I did, but of the gray one, and I was dipping it in water too, kind of stretching the paint out as a stain, so to speak, and it still came out so what they call potent, I guess. The color, but no, not for color. Potent is not the word. Vibrant. There we go. So now I'm doing the back after all the dry. You see the bottom is just one coat, you guys. One coat with water. So now I'm doing the back. I'm painting the back to match, even though it's going to be against the wall. I should have maybe took the L brackets off to painted as well. So, you know, if I ever take the L brackets off, I might have to paint those spots. However, but yeah, I was taking, you know, just painting the back just so we can match the sides and everything. Don't mind me watching my shows in the back. So all the sides are painted, as you can see. You know, I then went to glue down the excess parts with my hot glue gun. And, you know, just so this would be more so for the front. Well, I did the front and the back. The front and the back. This is the part that's going to be against the wall. This is the front part. I had to improvise. This glue was very, very hot. So I had to, you know, use my little box cutter to, you know, hold down the contact paper to the edge because, you know, burn, ouch, you know. So, it helped, you know, lay it down really, really well because it was very flat, the box cutter. So that helped me out tremendously. You got to improvise sometimes. If you don't have something, make it. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you need something, like, I don't know. That's just how I think. I don't know. But, you know, listen, you guys, y'all go check out my website, STQ, LLC.com. I'm still building and growing over there. But here's the finished look, you guys. This is the shelf. It's on the wall. I put seashell up there, some trophies, some flowers for some passed on loved ones. That's what's in those bags right there. And my family reunion program. That's what's in the cup with the names that's on there. You know, this is the shelf. I did. I went and added some mosaic mirror tiles because the front, it was okay. It wasn't too bad, but just, you know, that white and pink imperfection, you know, with the blue and everything, because it was fine the way it was. But you know me, you know the glam up, the glitz, and the, you know how I do, you guys, with the glitter and the mirror tiles. But yeah, so I just went and, you know, put some mirror tiles on the front, you know, just to make it a little more pop and pizzazz, you know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys stick around. I know I'm be in and out. I'm be going through a lot, you guys. You know what I'm saying? But just bear with me. It's gonna get better. We getting better. And yeah, y'all just make sure y'all come back, subscribe, hit that like button if you like, you know, my DIY projects. If you want to see more, just, you know, let me know. Hit me up, and I'll see you guys later.